Okay, it's time for Scentbird. I have a love-hate relationship with Scentbird. I don't love them. Do I hate them? I don't hate them for sure. My last scent, that last scent was bogus. I don't even want to talk about it. Here's what it normally looks like. So yeah, packaging's cute. I mean, hello, look, a little flip open and it's good to go. Let me see, this one is Luminaire Intensa, Vince Cameo. Oh, this, that one. That one's pretty good. That one's pretty good. Here's my next 2 cents. Okay. Commodity Juicy. Oh no, it says Commodity Juice. Sorry. It's got raspberry pulp, strawberry, Bulgarian rose, amberwood, and rhubarb. Okay, what does rhubarb smell like again? Oh, so that's the packaging. Let's pop this bad boy open. What does it say? Pretty sure there's like a squeeze mechanism. Oh, okay. I could just use my common sense. Let's see, let me open this up. Ooh, commodity juice. Okay, I'm excited.